Now we are fabricating the Westgate down pipe. So this is what we have done so far. So we already mocked up this, mark everything, and we're gonna tag it up to verify everything. If it's in the correct position, then we're gonna weld it completely. I'm installing the bung for the O2 sensor or the wet band. So I did the hole here in the downpipe and already welded the bung so I can screw the white band, the fuel tech white band sensor. So we can measure the fuel and air, the mixture of fuel and air that's going to go out through the downpipe. So we can adjust the fuel mass and everything in the fuel tank. Now we're cutting pipe cuts on the exhaust system because the downpipe has I have to align the downpipe with the route of the exhaust of the car, and I need to like a curve, but all these tubes that we have here, they're going to be too long if I cut this here and twist it all the way, because I need like an S. So it's gonna be better that I do it with pipe cut. So that I'm doing the pipe cuts here. I prepared my cutting tool so I can do the pipe cuts and do the S in a tighter space. So that's what I'm doing now. Doing the pipe cut so I can tack weld it and complete the downpipe. I'm cleaning all the edges. All the edges, so I can, when I weld the welds get clean, because we don't have argon or CO2 on the welding machine. So I'm trying to put the pieces as straight as possible and clean as possible so I can weld. So the welds come out not so ugly. I did 4 pipe cuts, and I think that's gonna be enough to achieve the radius that I need to do that lineup with the exhaust system. The other pieces. Put it down. You can see here, have done a curve that I needed, just enough so I can put it in the exhaust system. I'm gonna fit it. Nieta. Another pipe cut. It's gonna be straight to the side. 21 and a half. 22, just in case. We're gonna clean all the edges because you can see they're dirty. And plus we're gonna do like an angle here, so when we weld, it has space for the new material. I think it's good. Well, I'm learning. So you see here these dust or particles jumping all around and everything is not. It doesn't look really good. That's because we are welding with a flux wire and we don't have the argon yet. So if we buy the tank, the argon tank or CO2 tank, the welds are gonna come out really better than these ones. But we don't have it, so we have to work with what we have. So far so good. I'm gonna clean everything here. We are putting B-bands here in front and back so we can take it out every time we are going to the track. So because this is a 3-inch Mend Bend exhaust system. It's not too fancy or anything. It's not stainless steel, it's aluminized. So because we're gonna paint it, and it doesn't have to look really good because it's under the car, so nobody's gonna see it. But I'm showing you guys the thing that we are doing. So now we already here in this part it's gonna connect the down pipe. We did this pipe cut, so don't mind the welds. Those are the first welds that I did, so they're not looking so good. So and this is the hangers in the middle of the car. We cut those from the existing exhaust system that the car came up with, and now we are doing this curve. This is gonna be in front of the tank, and this one is gonna be like this. So Let's see how it goes. Let's do this. Okay, he's installing the V-bung on the downpipe. This is the exhaust system. It's B-band here, the 3-inch stainless steel flex tube, and this is a aluminized 3-inch Mendel bent exhaust tubing, and the V-band in the back. And we are going to be finishing. This is 3 inches, but Alejandro wants something bigger in the back, so we are going to be finishing the exhaust in the back part with this one. This is a 4-inch exhaust. We're going to be installing this reducer here like this to connect it to the 3-inch one, and putting that part in the back. Something that I want to show you, we installed a diffuser, so the exhaust is going to come out over there. I'm going to be painting this, even though I'm going to wrap it in a thermal tape, because if you don't do that, it's gonna get rusted under the wrap. It's gonna get worse. But I'm gonna put a coat of heather black paint. I already cleaned up the grease with this, the degreaser, and Alejandro bought this black paint. It's gonna be only a coat just to protect it from the rust. Look at this, guys. We have turned out really good. I wrapped this end here because this here is where the fuel tank is, so I don't want to take any chances, and I wrapped this area so that the tank doesn't get heat from the exhaust system. So now I'm gonna install it in the car so I can finish the part that I need to put there to finish everything up. Okay, I like it. Turned out really good. So I'm going to install it in the car. Well guys, this is the finished product. We're going to install it now. You can see I painted it with the heather paint and it's already wrapped. So I'm gonna install it now. I'm gonna show you the finished product. Well guys, this is gonna be the end of this video. I'm here with Alejandro. Alejandro, do you like the exhaust system?
It's beautiful.
How it sounds?
Amazing.
Too loud.
Just a little bit.
Well guys, this is gonna be all for this video, and remember, if you dream of it, work for it and make it happen. See you in the next one, guys.